Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi, my name is Endro Hatmanto, and today we will be talking about how to write literature review effectively. Well, ladies and gentlemen, writing a literature review in a research article involves several key steps to ensure it effectively contextualizes the study, demonstrate the gap in the existing knowledge, and justifies the research. Here are some best steps to follow. The first step is define the scope and objectives. Clearly define the scope and objective of your literature review. Determine the specific topic or research question you address, and the key themes or concept you will explore. And the step 2 is conduct comprehensive literature research or literature search. Conduct a thorough search of academic databases, journals, books, and other relevant sources to identify existing literature on your topic. Use keywords, Boolean operators, and filters to refine your search and answer you capture relevant studies. The third step is select relevant sources. Evaluate the relevance and credibility of the sources you find. Choose scholarly articles, books, and other academic resources that are peer-reviewed and directly related to your research topic. And the fourth step is organize the literature. Organize the literature according to themes, concept, or chronological order, depending on the nature of your search and the patterns you observe in the literature. Group similar studies together to facilitate comparison and analysis. The fifth step is synthesize the literature. Analyze and synthesize the findings, methodology, and conclusion of your selected studies. Identifies common trends, patterns, and debates within the literature, as well as gaps or inconsistencies that your research aims to address. And step 6 is critically evaluate the literature. This means that you need to critically evaluate the strength and limitations of the references or the sources, as well as assessing the validity and reliability, as well as the relevance of your sources, of your resources. And the seventh step is called identifying gaps and research question. Identify gaps or unresolved questions in the literature that your research will address. Highlight areas where further investigation is needed and explain how your study will contribute to filling these gaps. The eighth step is provide conceptual framework. Develop a conceptual framework or theoretical, theoretical framework to guide your literature review. Situate your research within relevant theoretical perspective or conceptual framework and explain how they inform your study. And step 9, write clearly and coherently. Write your literature review in clear, coherent, and concise manner. Structure it logically and with clear transition between sections, and use academic language and citation convention appropriately. And the next step is ensure that you cite all sources accurately and according to the citation style specified by your disciplines or journal guidelines. Provide complete bibliographic information for your source cited in your literature review. And step 11, revise and edit. Revise and edit your literature review carefully to ensure clarity, coherence, and accuracy. Proofread for grammatical errors, typos, and formatting inconsistencies, and seek feedback from peers or mentors if possible. That's all, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for your attention. See you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.